Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix Valorant stuck at 0.1 Kbps. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, there are several methods to fix this problem. So first of all, what you need to do is to click on the Start button and search for Control Panel. Okay, so now once you are here, what you need to do is to go here at Network and Internet. Now go to Network and Sharing Center. Now what I need you to do is to click on the Change Adapter Settings. So now here at the Ethernet, you want to right click on Properties. Now click on the Internet Protocol version and click on Properties again. So now you need to select this, use the following DNS server addresses and follow these numbers 8888 and at the alternate DNS server is 8844. Okay? So now just go ahead and close your all of the tabs, and that is the first method. Okay? So now the second one is to again click on the start button, search for services right here. So once you're here, what you need to do is to find the support, or sorry. So, I'm sorry, what you need to do is to go to Task Manager. Okay? So, now once you're here at the Task Manager, what you need to do is to find Google Chrome and End Task. Okay? Click on Google Chrome, click on End Task. Okay? After that, find the Discord. So click on End Task again. And the last one is the MSC. Okay, so you should see the word MSC right here. So if you see that, just go ahead and End Task it. Okay. So once you've done that, just go ahead and refresh your device. And that is the second method. Now for the third method, what we need to do is to again click on or search for Task Manager, find the Riot client, right click on it, and click on Go to Details. So once you're here, find the Riot client services, right click again. Then for the set priority, select High. Okay, now click on Change Priority, and that is the third method. Okay. Now for the fourth method we have is go to Settings. Now go to Network and Internet. Now just go ahead and click on Network Reset and reset your internet connection. Okay, so I won't do that right now because when you click on it, on this button, your PC will be restarted. Okay, so just go ahead and do that, and that is the fourth method. Okay, so now those are the methods to fix this error. Okay, and that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.